In Descent Horizon, a bad landing can permanently change how your ship flies. Not because of a damage stat, but because the lander is a physical machine. Every piece of cargo has weight and position, so where you store the equipment changes how the ship handles. Put too much mass on one side, and the lander starts pulling unevenly in flight. And that gets worse when things break. If you hit the surface too hard, a landing leg can snap off. Now the ship is physically unbalanced. But instead of just making the player take damage, I let them respond to it. They can move cargo to the opposite side of the ship and use their inventory as a counterweight. They can make the lander stable again while the damaged gear is deployed. But the landing gear also retracts. And once the gear retracts, the missing leg is no longer part of the balance problem. So the same cargo setup that helped you land can make the ship unstable again in flight. Now, cargo isn't just about what you brought with you, it's about what kind of broken machine you're trying to fly. And fuel adds another layer. A heavier lander needs more thrust to lift, so it burns more fuel. As the lander gets lighter, the same thrust either pushes you harder or lets you back off the throttle and conserve fuel. So every bad landing, every repair, every piece of salvage, and every bit of fuel changes the next descent. The goal is not just to survive the crash, it's to keep the machine flyable afterwards, because